If you are unemployed and cannot take care of yourself because awunayo imali, watch this video. I promise it's worth it. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomyama. Asiqale. Did you know ukuthi eSouth Africa there is something called i-Maintenance Act 99 of 1998 and it will save your life. I promise once you know this ngeke uphinde uhlupheke. Right now, umntomnyama uyazibuza ukuthi what is this Maintenance Act 99 of 1998? Understand ukuthi you have a brother, you have a sister, and right now you are unemployed kodwa bona basebenza kahle, bona bahola kahle. Therefore, le law will force them to take care of you because bona angithi abathandi ukukupha imali, bona angithi abathandi to take care of you benze sure ukuthi right as their brother, as their sister. Well, the law will force them to maintain you. They have been hiding this from you because bebefuna uhlupheke bayajabula mungenamali, but I will tell you the truth. Understand ukuthi under the Maintenance Act 99 of 1998 kontekuthiwa i-common law duty of support. This means family members can be forced to support each other, not just parents and children, but extended families too, including siblings. That means even if you cousin and you know omunye cousin wakho osebenza kahle, you know omunye cousin wakho namathenda doctor nurse, you can take them to court because abafuni ukunakekela. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi under section 16 of that act, a court can issue a maintenance order. That order will be treated like a civil judgment, ephuma straight from each judge himself or herself. Understand ukuthi it can be enforced like debt collection. That means if cousin wakho or usisi wakho or ubhuti wakho enqaba ukunika le mali, it will be garnished from umholo wakhe because ujesu usile. Don't worry mntomnyama, understand ukuthi the minute you feel ukuthi impilo isinzima and you cannot take care of yourself, all you have to do is open a case and then leyo case leyo it will force usisi wakho or ubhuti wakho or ukazini osebenza kahle to take imali yakhe and give it to you khona nawe uzoba right. Once the case goes to court, understand ukuthi they will look at his salary yakhe, they would look at ama expenses akhe, they would look at ama needs akhe. For example, let's say yena uhola u-15,000 and wonke ama living expenses akhe amounts to u-9,000. That means in the bank account unakho kusalelo 6,000. Kulowo 6,000, the court might say ukuthi akakunike maybe abo 1.5 to 3,000 a month. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi all of this is not about money. Your sibling, your cousin, your brother, your sister has to survive. That means le mali will cover ama basic needs akhe in order to survive emhlabeni. That means they cover food, accommodation, clothes, medical care that includes medical aid and education yakhe. I know what you're thinking. You don't want to do this. You feel ukuthi no matter what the court says, uzubaleka wena and you will not pay anything. Nkinga, I'll understand that if you run away, there are consequences. If you, ngisho wena Sgebengu, you run away and you say you're not gonna follow the maintenance order, understand ukuthi you can be taken back to court. You can be criminally charged. You can face ama fines or even uye jele because when you are not just breaking or refusing family, but manje you are breaking a court order. If ever you find yourself in a situation whereby you cannot take care of yourself because awusebenzi, you are unemployed or you just don't have money, don't waste time. Hamba uvule case.